In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between different accounts on Pinterest. Whether you're managing multiple personal accounts or juggling professional ones, knowing how to seamlessly switch from one account to another can save you time and keep your content organized. To get started, let's go ahead and open Pinterest. Make sure you're signed into your current account. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, we can dive right into the process of switching accounts. Now keep in mind that doing this is simple and quick, so just follow along with me. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon, possibly a letter or a photo representing your current profile. This icon is a window to managing your accounts. Click on this profile icon to open up a drop-down menu. Once the drop-down appears, you will notice several options, but the one we're interested in is nestled under the header, Your Accounts. If you're someone who uses multiple Pinterest accounts, you should see a list of these accounts under the Your Accounts section. Go ahead and browse through this list to find the account you want to switch to. Simply click on the desired account name. You'll notice instantaneously that your account view changes to reflect the selected profile. There you go. You've just switched accounts without any hassle. It's as straightforward as that. No messy logins or remembering additional passwords. You can flip between your favorite Pinterest accounts easily, allowing you to manage everything from individual inspiration boards to your professional collections with just a few clicks. This feature is especially beneficial if you're a social media manager or if you handle accounts for different clients. Each transition is smooth, minimizing any interruptions to your workflow. Remember, your account selections are only a click away every time you log in. So whether you're in the middle of a creative burst or conducting market research, maintaining efficiency is now in your hands. Also, if you find your lists growing, Pinterest allows you to manage these accounts effortlessly by linking and delinking as necessary. Just make sure to review your list and keep it updated. And there you have it, navigating between Pinterest accounts made easy. Now you can focus on curating the perfect boards and discovering fresh content without the worry of getting lost in account switching. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tips and guides just like this one. Happy pinning and see you in the next video.